Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use PayPal on your phone mobile app guide. The first thing you need to do is install and sign in. So you can install your PayPal on your iOS App Store, or if you're using Android, you can download it on Google Play Store. As you can see right now, I'm using Android, so I downloaded it. Then I'll just click on Open. So you need to sign in first. Then you'll have an account. Once you have an account, there you go. As you can see right now, you have to log in. So I'm just gonna blur this part. There you go. So the first thing you will notice here is the home dash overview. So after signing in, you'll land on your home dash screen. So the dashboard here, it shows your PayPal balance and recent activity and quick access, and the common action. You can tap your balance to view more details about your add money or link sources right there. So you see right there. So add and manage payment. So here next is we have the add and pan. We could link right here. We can add and manage payment methods in the wallet or link accounts section right here. As you can see there, we can link the bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and all of that right there. There you go. See right there. And amazing feature about this is we have the send and request money right here in the middle. So once we click that, use the send slash request that to transfer money to another PayPal account user. So once I click that, as you can see right there, I'm agreeing continue. There you go. You can add bank. So here you can, it's a user friendly slash family. You typically select a contact or enter an amount. Choose funding source, PayPal balance, or link bank card and confirm. You can also request money from others via the same tab. So now we can go back here, and here once we are now here, we can view our activity right here, as you can see right there. So view activity, the activity screen shows your payment records. As you can see, we have no payment records as of the moment. So you can filter results by contact or date to review specific transaction. This helps track history and verify transfers. So here, and we also have the tap to pay and other features like that. So there you go. But some PayPal apps in different countries support the tap to pay on mobile, allowing you to accept payments by tapping a card or a digital wallet to your phone where available. If your device in the region supports this, you'll see a tap to pay option within the app and follow screen prompt to enable and use it. But for me in the Philippines, we don't have that, so you won't be able to use. And here we have the shopping and in payments. PayPal can be used to pay payment methods for online purchase and app checkouts where you use your PayPal, and PayPal is accepted. When paying, you can choose PayPal as the payment method and select the funding source. And there, and here we have some rewards. So here, discover new PayPal rewards and view your saved history, but right now we don't have that. So yeah, there you go. So a quick tip for you guys, keep your app updated to the latest version to access new features and security improvements. Enable two factors authentication for extra security on your PayPal account. And my last tip for you guys, if you need to transfer funds to a bank account, look for a transfer to bank or similar option within the balance or wallet area. The exact label may vary by versions or maybe locations. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick note for you guys: if you're in a region with limited features, some options like tap to pay may not be available. Like for example, here in the Philippines, it's not available. So I highly suggest checking your regions if it supports those kind of features. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.